Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant uh, error code 3 easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first just type here services, scroll down until you find here VGC, click on VGC, right click on it and click properties, and once you're here you will find it like that. You will find it like that. Now once you're here, all you need to do just make it automatic, apply and OK. And here if you find start, if you can find here start, click on it, and if you can't find it, just click restart. And after that, go to command, right click on it, run as administrator and click yes. Once you're here, type niche winsock reset and click enter, and then type ipconfig space /flash DNS, and that's it. Then restart your PC and see you in the next video.